The market well off the highs of the session here, up about 10 right now on the Dow. If you missed everything that happened during today's session, we're getting caught up right now on the only stocks you need to know about. It's time for your top 10. Coming in at number 10, it's CBS. CBS rising nearly 5% after the TV network and Time Warner Cable ended a month-long programming dispute. The accord ends a stalemate that left more than 3 million Time Warner Cable customers without access to shows ranging from Under the Dome to U.S. Open tennis.
Well, let's talk about the finish line, up nearly 3% today as Janney Capital raises the stock to buy from neutral. The firm cites improving product line and positive early reads on the retailer's partnership with Macy's for the upgrade. Late last year, we should recall that Finish Line cut a deal with Macy's to put its shoes in hundreds of Macy's stores.
Number 8 is Sterling Financial, up almost 9% on news. The Washington state lender is seeking takeover bids from other banks. Sterling has sought takeover bids in recent weeks and held talks with at least 2 bidders, that according to people with direct knowledge of the matter.
All right, number 7 is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola shares, they're down almost 1%, following a downgrade to underperform from CLSA. Last month, I should say, Coca-Cola, the world's largest beverage maker, said it sold less soda in its home market in North America during its second quarter. Stock up 4% though this year.
And Bank of America is up nearly 1% as it sets a goal of $1.5 billion for its sale of China Construction Bank shares. Goldman Sachs and Citigroup have also sold shares in Chinese financial institutions. New international rules make it more expensive to hold minority stakes in lenders. Not easy being a bank these days. Everyone is cutting back on how you can try to make money as a bank.
Number 5 is Herbalife, down nearly 2% after the Wall Street Journal reported that a marketing professor at the College of New Jersey told the FTC that Herbalife lacks, quote, sufficient transparency for consumers and investors to assess whether the company is a pyramid scheme. That's what the British call it.
Wait,
No.
there's that
Herbalife.
Yes.
That wasn't really
I
the news, though. There was actually
Someone took a stake.
Someone took a passive stake of 5%. It's the CEO
But that's
of
not an
Post.
explanation for it being down.
No, but it rose after that stake was disclosed and then has come back down again.
That's right.
There will come a day when we will no longer talk about Herbalife, but for now,
I cannot wait.
Oh, come on.
Well,
really? Is that day coming? All right, number 4, Apple, up a fraction after the company sent out invitations to a September 10th event. The event will be held at Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California. Apple's going to be unveiling new models of the iPhone at the event. This is according to people familiar with the plans.
And Jarden jumping nearly 11% today. The consumer products company is buying Yankee Candle from private equity firm Madison Dearborn for $1.75 billion. Jarden Executive Chairman Martin Franklin joins us in just a few moments to tell us why he made this big deal and what it means for his company.
Speaking of big deals, number 2 is Verizon, falling almost 3% after it agreed to buy out the rest of its wireless business from Vodafone for a mere $130 billion. The deal gives Verizon full control of the most profitable U.S. mobile phone carrier in the biggest acquisition in more than a decade, and yet it's our number 2 stock.
Oh, because we have yet another deal to talk about, ladies and gentlemen. Our number 1 stock of the day, it's Microsoft. Microsoft trading down nearly 5% as the software giant works to grab a bigger slice of the mobile computing market from Apple and Google. Microsoft is paying $7.2 billion to acquire Nokia's smartphone business and a portfolio of patents and services.